My name is Peter, I'm from Denmark, I'm 35 years old. I scout tracks, plan races, and I coach in Enduro. And right now we're here in Puebla. It's a 2-day clinic, and I wanted to give you a brief introduction to what my riding schools are really about. With me, we don't go out and do a big ride. I prefer to find a place wherever I'm being brought to that's good for the basic exercises, because that's where everybody needs to focus anyways. They have to learn how to control the bike at slow speeds and really show me that they understand how the clutch, gas, brakes and body is supposed to be moving around on the bike.
Come strike me down. Come on, strike me down. Come strike me down.
I'm from a country in the world where we don't have really good riding opportunities, so we learn how to train very effectively, and that is basically what I try to incorporate and teach everyone where I do my clinics.
Drifting in the night with my taillights between trouble and me. The sun reads 65, but the horizon line is all I see. And now I'm headed out west to escape my brain. Oh, I used to be a drag, but that was yesterday.
Everyone is basically acceptable for what we're doing. It's about learning how to control your bike, and that means having a really good clutch control, learning how to apply and the acceleration and de-accelerate, use the brakes in the right moments.
Está más difícil de lo que parece.
Nada más es aprovechar esos conos como un tipo de slalom.
Say I ain't coming back again. Swerving in my lane, sugar in my brain and breakneck speed.
Ahora viene el que está lleno de energía, pero vino muy tarde. Sobre todo controlar la moto, porque pues abrirle en una subida es muy diferente a pues, ponerse un obstáculo y tener que pasar por ahí sí o sí, o planear bien una subida, ¿no? Pero tener el control sobre la moto, creo que eso es lo que más me ha servido.
And down the road I'm singing, hand out the road down with the sunset on the west coast. And goodbye sorrow, my oldest friend. Take it easy, I ain't coming back again.
Saber qué hacer en bajas velocidades, que es cuando te enfilas a lo difícil, ¿no? Salir controlado, está difícil.
La cabeza, que intenta mantenerlo encima del timón. Aquí cerca del timón en general es donde la fiesta. Ahí se puede doblar y controlar muy bien la moto. What I focus on all of the clinics that I'm giving is always to teach people how to maintain their balance, keep, or let's say, the inertia high, so you can pass obstacles much easier. So I spend a lot of time on designing really effective and fun exercises that everybody can do no matter the level on the same playing ground. I love doing what I do. It's my ticket around the world. It connects me with riders of the same kind as myself. Love to ride, love to train, love to have fun, and I'm eternally grateful for the fact that I can do what I do. I'm really, really happy to meet so many people, be places like this.
Life in the bungalow can make you feel invincible. It ain't like life on rodeo. If you like Tokyo and hate what's on the radio, come over to the bungalow. I'd like to show you around.
Los errores fueron 2 dedos en el freno, en el clutch. primera.
Pensar en poner el freno de atrás como que todavía no.
Muy buena clínica, la verdad la técnica que enseña Peter es pues básica, ¿no?
Peter, excelente piloto, con mucha facilidad para enseñar, que eso es muy importante.
Te enseña demasiada técnica, es el chiste, o sea, hay pequeños detalles que te va enseñando cómo mover la moto, cómo ponerla en ciertas situaciones.
Es una diferente manera de poner ejercicios, ¿no? Estos son más como aprender desde lo básico para ir pudiendo subir poco a poco.
Este truco es igual bueno que la primera que les enseñé de la pata. Van a decir, mira, fíjate bien. ¿Cuántas veces han estado en esa situación, en bajadas, y ya no puedes subir a una forma? Agárralo bien y hagas un kick. No sabía. At the end of these 2 days with me, you learn how to train very effectively, spend your time the smartest way, not necessarily the hardest way. Era venir y hacer el frenado y aprovechar el movimiento.
Take all you want and then just throw it away. That's okay, you never cared much for it anyway. Take all our love and then just throw it away. That's okay, you never cared much for it anyway. Take all the stars and throw them into the sea. Well, that's just fine, cause they were only there for you and me. Take all you feel and then just...
Con toda la enseñanza que te da Peter, pues ya te sale el switchback completo 180 grados y pues es algo asombroso para cuando estás en un single track, tienes que cambiar de dirección y no tienes espacio.
And the scenery here is absolutely amazing. We saw a volcano spewing out ashes this morning, and it's a kind of a scary scene today. It's dark, it's raining all night. So yeah, it's really gorgeous, like much more terrain than we even needed, which is one of my key points on giving these classes. And then there's the other thing that's called just, let's call it riding with me or training with me. And that's where we go out and do more hands-on practical stuff, where there's a certain group of riders that want me to have a look at a certain section that's always causing them issues. We go out and check that out and we train that section, and we turn all the theory and all the practice into that specific section.
Le pusieron jabón a la perra subir esta.
so many others, but I am blind for you. Oh no, you wouldn't believe it, but I would make myself blind for you.
Uy,
¡Sácale foto!
ya está el video.
Para el Instagram.